Hello everyone. In this lesson we are going to discuss about function init in Golang. The init function is special type of function and it's called when the package is initialized. The init function is executed before the main function call. This init function is present in every package. If we take main function, it's only present in package main. But this init function is present every package. Same as the main function, this init function takes no argument and does not return anything. Go automatically call init function at package initialization. It is possible to create multiple init functions in same program, and those init functions executed in the order they are created. It is possible to create init functions anywhere in the program and they are called in lexical file name order, basically the alphabetical order. The main purpose of init function is to initialize global variable that cannot be initialized in global context. I will explain about this global variables and global context in upcoming videos. Yeah, let's take a look at a sample code. In this code, we can see three init functions and one main function. When we run this code, we get output as hello init 1, following hello init 2, then hello init 3, finally hello main. As we can see, the hello init 3 is after the main function, but as the rule, init function executed before the main function, so all three init functions executed before the main function is executed. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Bye.